Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Now we're coloring 2D shapes. Kids, subscribe to our channel. First we are using the color of yellow. First we are using the color of blue. Kids, the next one is white color. And the next one is green color. Now we are using the color of red. Red color. Today we draw and coloring 2D shapes. And the next one is black color, the color of black. And the last one is yellow color. Kids, subscribe to our channel. First we are coloring the shape of star. Now we are using the color of blue. Now we're mixing and using the color of blue. Subscribe to our channel. Kids, now we're coloring the shape of star. The next one is pentagon. Now we are using the color of white. Kids, now we are using the color of white. Subscribe to our channel. The shape of pentagon. Now we are using the color of white. Kids, the next one is the shape of square. Now we're using the color of green. Now we're mixing and using the color of green. Subscribe to our channel. Now we're mixing and using the color of green. Kids, now we're coloring the shape of square, and the next one is triangle. Now we're using the color of red. Kids, now we are using red color. The color of red. The next one is circle. Now we are using the color of black. Kids, now we're using the color of black. Subscribe to our channel. the shape of black. The last one is trapezoid. Now we are using the color of yellow. So kids, now we are using the color of yellow and coloring the shape of trapezoid. Subscribe to our channel. Now we are using and mixing the color of yellow, the shape of trapezoid. Today we draw 2D shapes. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.